Welcome to Next Level Homes.
First impressions matter, and this villa gets it exactly right. Every stone, every arch, and every detail welcomes you into a home that feels timeless. This peaceful courtyard feels like a private escape. The sound of flowing water and the beauty of fresh flowers create a calm you will never want to leave. The living room blends elegance with comfort, rich materials, natural light, and handcrafted details make every moment feel special. In Italy, the kitchen is the heart of the home. Here, every meal becomes an experience surrounded by beauty and craftsmanship. Imagine gathering family and friends around this beautiful table where every dinner feels like a celebration. This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's a peaceful retreat where every morning begins with breathtaking views. The bathroom feels like a private spa, combining natural stone, elegant finishes, and complete relaxation. Everything has its place here. Beautiful storage turns everyday routines into a luxury experience. Few things compare to relaxing beside an infinity pool with endless countryside views stretching to the horizon. This outdoor space was made for unforgettable evenings filled with laughter, great food, and beautiful sunsets. Every corner of this garden feels carefully designed to bring peace, beauty, and a deep connection with nature. As the sun sets, the rooftop becomes the perfect place to slow down, breathe deeply, and admire the incredible landscape. As night falls, the villa transforms into a glowing masterpiece. Every light highlights its timeless beauty, proving that true luxury isn't just about wealth, it's about creating a place that feels unforgettable.